Hello lovely people, welcome you back to Home Sweet Food channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you the oatmeal recipe. I've been making this for lunch and it tastes so good. Yeah, you need to try. There have been a lot of comments. You can't replace kinky with oatmeal. Nobody's asking you to replace your kinky with this, but we know what is good. Do what is good for us. So this is a quick one which you don't want to use this one. If you use this type, you're not going to get a consistency that you need for this recipe. So use the whole grain one. I have 1 cup of whole grain oats and then I just added 2 cups of water. You stir and let it sit for like 3 minutes. That way we can blend this smooth. It's a little bit rough but not other smooth. Yeah. So after that you just pour in your saucepan and then you keep on stirring. The one that I posted, I didn't add any extra oatmeal flour. Yeah, that's homemade oats flour that I just blended. If you want it hard, like I said, we the champion, sometimes we want hard stuff, right? So if you want it hard, put some. Yeah, you can add like, I just added like 3 tablespoons and then you keep on stirring, and when everything is done, you're good to serve. It's a easy recipe that you can make for lunch and then it doesn't take long. I've posted 2 recipes of this oatmeal. You can check that one out, but this one was a quick one for lunch and it's ready. Yeah, like it doesn't take long. You can do this if you want something that is low in carb. You want to maintain your weight whilst you keep on enjoying your gaining food. These are the type of food that you can enjoy and then maintain your weight. Thank you all for watching and love you all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and then follow for more.